Hello to everyone tuning in. Welcome back to English Spark US, the place where we make learning English feel natural, easy, and incredibly fun. I am your host, Emily.
And a big hello from me as well. I am Paul. It is truly wonderful to be back behind the microphone with all our amazing listeners today.
It really is. We have missed you all. So, Paul, tell me honestly, how are you feeling right now? How is your day going so far?
I am doing fantastic, Emily. Thank you for asking. I actually just finished a very hot, very delicious cup of Earl Grey tea, so I am feeling calm.
Oh, tea is the absolute best. I'm jealous. As I was saying, I am doing well, but to be honest, I am a little bit sleepy today. It has been a long week.
Sleepy? Oh no. But actually, that is quite lucky because our topic today is perfect for sleepy people.
I agree. I'm very excited to discuss this. Today, we're talking about the night.
Ah, yes, the evening time. We are going to discuss everything we do after the sun goes down and the specific routines we have before we finally go to sleep.
Exactly. We want to teach you simple, useful English vocabulary for your nightly routine.
Yes, we do have a small request. If you are enjoying this conversation and learning new words, please take just 1 second to hit that like button.
It really helps our channel grow. And of course, please make sure you subscribe to English Spark US so you never miss our new lessons. We upload frequently.
Also, don't keep this a secret. Share this video with a friend. If you know someone learning English, invite them to join our community.
Thank you so much, everyone. Okay, Paul, the housekeeping is done. I am ready to relax. Let's dive into the evening routine.
Let's do it. Emily, visualize this. The long day is finally over. Work is finished.
That feeling of finishing work is the best feeling in the world. Okay, the first thing I do, I unlock the front door, I step inside, and immediately I take off my shoes.
Oh, yes, shoes off. Absolutely. That is a universal rule. It feels so good to wiggle your toes.
It really does. I kick off my shoes, and then I put my heavy bag down on the floor. I feel lighter immediately.
Same here. But after the shoes and the bag, I do something else. I change my clothes. This is a very important step for me.
Oh, 100%. I cannot stay in my work clothes. I always take off my day clothes, the tight jeans or the professional shirts. They're just too stiff for the evening.
I agree completely. I immediately put on my home clothes.
Yes, home clothes. Paul, tell the listeners, what exactly are your home clothes? Describe them for us.
Let me think. They are very loose. I have a specific t-shirt. It is ancient, very old, but it is incredibly soft. It is a faded blue color.
Nice. Old t-shirts are always the softest.
Exactly. And I wear soft cotton pants, never jeans at home. Jeans are forbidden on the sofa.
My home outfit is all about warmth. I have a gigantic, oversized pink sweater. It is my designated at-home sweater.
That sounds lovely.
It is. Wearing it feels like getting a warm hug. It signals to my brain that the workday is officially over.
A home sweater. That is a perfect name for it. I might need to get one. Okay, so now we are dressed comfortably. We have our soft pants and sweaters.
We are cozy, but there's a problem. Usually at this time, I start to realize something.
Let me guess. Your stomach starts making noises?
Exactly. I'm starving.
So, the big question, do you actually cook dinner every single night, Emily?
That is a tricky question. What about you, Paul?
Well, I try to cook. I have good intentions. But, to be honest with you, sometimes I am just too exhausted from work. My brain is tired.
I understand that completely. So, on those tired days, do you just starve?
No. On tired days, I have a secret weapon.
Is it really a secret?
Okay, not really. I pick up my smartphone and I open a delivery app. I order food.
Paul, ordering food is not a secret. Everyone does it. It's so convenient.
It is dangerously easy. I usually order a large pepperoni pizza, or if I want something spicy, maybe some Thai food. I love spicy noodles.
Pizza is the classic tired day food. The cheese, the crust, it's delicious.
What about you, Emily? Do you order food, or are you a better chef than I am?
I actually really enjoy cooking. For me, being in the kitchen is not work. It is actually how I relax.
Really? Wow. I find chopping vegetables to be hard work.
Yes, cooking is my therapy. I walk into the kitchen and I put on some smooth jazz music.
Classy.
Always. Then I start chopping vegetables to the rhythm of the music. I usually make simple, healthy food.
Give us an example. What is on the menu at Emily's house?
Maybe some grilled chicken with rice, or a massive green salad, or in the winter, I love making homemade soup.
Ah, soup is wonderful when it's cold outside. So you cook healthy meals and I order greasy pizza.
Hey, we both eat dinner. That's what matters.
Okay, dinner is finished. The clock says it is maybe 7:30 p.m.
This is the golden hour. This is the true relaxing time.
What is your activity of choice, Emily?
I move immediately to the living room. I like to sit on my sofa. My sofa is dark green, velvet, and incredibly soft.
The sofa is arguably the most important piece of furniture in the house.
It is. I sink into my sofa, grab a blanket, and I turn on the TV.
Ah, watching TV, the classic American pastime. Me too.
I'm the same. No horror movies. I like to watch funny shows like sitcoms or comedies. I want to laugh in the evening.
That is a great philosophy. Laughing relieves stress.
What about you, Paul? Do you binge watch TV shows?
Sometimes, but recently I have been trying to reduce my screen time. I like to read.
Oh, a bookworm. That is very admirable.
Yes, I have a specific armchair in the corner. It is my reading nook. I sit there, turn on a small lamp, and open a book.
What genre of books do you read? Romance? History?
Mostly mystery novels. Stories with a detective and a crime. A big question mark, who did it?
Ooh, exciting. But my brain is usually too tired to solve a murder mystery at 8 p.m. I just want simple jokes.
That's fair. Sometimes, if I'm too tired for reading, I don't use my eyes at all. I just use my ears.
Do you mean listening to podcasts like this one?
Sometimes, but usually I just listen to music.
Active listening? Is that like when you listen to music while you cook?
No, this is different. I sit down in my chair, I put on my large noise-canceling headphones,
Okay.
and I close my eyes. I do nothing else. I just let the music fill my head for 20 minutes. No phone, no TV.
Wow, that sounds almost like meditation.
It helps my brain feel quiet. It washes away the stress of the workday.
Paul, that is a beautiful idea. My brain is always so busy and loud. I need to try that.
Paul, be honest. Do you always stay home? Do you ever participate in nightlife?
Nightlife? That sounds very loud and energetic.
It does.
Do you ever go to clubs or go dancing?
No. I definitely do not go dancing. My dancing skills are terrible. My nightlife is very quiet.
Me too. But occasionally, maybe on a Friday night, I will go out.
Ah, yes, Friday nights are the exception. The weekend has arrived.
Exactly. On Fridays, I sometimes meet a group of friends. We might go to a nice restaurant for a long dinner.
Restaurants are fun. It's good to socialize.
Yes. Or sometimes we go to the cinema to see a new film.
The movies. I love the movie theater experience.
Me too.
But mostly for the snacks. Buying that giant bucket of popcorn is essential.
Oh, absolutely. Salty, buttery popcorn is very important.
So maybe one night a week I go out, but 90% of the time I stay in.
I am exactly the same. I think I am what you call a homebody.
Good catch, Paul. Listeners, a homebody is a person who simply prefers to be at home.
Right. It doesn't mean you are afraid of the outside world. It just means your favorite place to be is your own house.
Home is where your stuff is. My sofa, my snacks, my blankets. So yes, I am definitely a homebody.
Me too. Okay, so we have relaxed, we watched comedy, we read mysteries. Now the clock is moving forward.
Yes, looking at the time, it is maybe 10 p.m. or 10:30 p.m. At 10:30, my eyes start to feel heavy. It is officially bedtime.
Bedtime, the final frontier. So I turn off the TV and I go to the bathroom.
The getting ready for bed routine. This is vital.
First step, I brush my teeth.
Very important. Dentists say 2 full minutes.
I try my best. I brush my teeth and then I wash my face.
Me too. I wash my face with warm water. It feels like I am washing away the day. It says to my body, okay, we are done.
After washing up, I put on my pajamas.
Pajamas are the best clothes invented by humans. We change clothes so many times today. Day clothes, home clothes, and now sleep clothes.
It is a process. My pajamas are just a simple gray t-shirt and gray shorts.
Gray is a very calm color, good for sleeping.
What about yours?
Mine are a matching set, blue and white with little cloud patterns.
Very cute. Okay, so we are in our pajamas. We are standing next to the bed.
Do you jump right in?
Not yet. I have a bad habit. I check my phone one last time.
Paul, they say blue light from the phone is bad for sleep.
I know, but I have to do it. First, I set my alarm clock for the morning.
Okay, that is valid. I set my alarm for 7 a.m.
Me too, 7 a.m. sharp. The second thing is that I check the weather forecast.
Ah, that is smart. You need to know if it will rain tomorrow.
Exactly. I need to know if I need an umbrella. Once I do those two things, I put the phone far away.
Good.
I put it on my desk, across the room, so I cannot scroll through social media in bed.
Before I sleep, I read again. But this is different. I get under the blankets, head on the pillow.
A real paper book.
Yes, no screens. I read for maybe 5 or 10 minutes. It acts like a sleeping pill.
Your eyes get heavy?
Very heavy. Then I turn off the lamp. Total darkness.
That sounds like the perfect routine. Peaceful and calm.
It is. Well, Paul, I think talking about this has made me sleepy.
Me too. And sadly, we are out of time. Thank you for listening to English Spark US.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Tell us your night routine in the comments. Good night, everyone.
Good night.